Hello friends, it's Snoopy. I'm walking around the Ochanomizu area now. Let's go to Akihabara through Kanda Myojin Shrine. Let's enjoy a 1.8 kilometers excursion with me. Today's destination, Akihabara, is famous as an electric town, while here in Ochanomizu it is known as a student town. I'm approaching to Ochanomizu station now. In Japanese, ocha means tea and mizu means water. So, Ochanomizu literally means tea water. The name derives from the fact that water for brewing tea for the Tokuga family came from this area during the Edo period. There are several university hospitals in the area, so there are many pharmacies. Here's another hospital. Look, there is a soba stand over there. People working the night shift at the hospital wouldn't be hungry late at night. As a result of the establishment of many universities here, a college town was created in Ochanomizu. Then, many musical instruments were also sold. This is Ochanomizu Musical Instrument Shopping Street. I played the clarinet when I was a student, so I used to come here very often. Coming here always reminds me of my school days. If you are a music lover, this is the best place for you. Add here to the must place to visit list for your next trip to Tokyo. Running on the left is the Marunouchi subway line. It's Tokyo's second oldest underground line after the Ginza subway line. Some parts of the Marunouchi and Ginza subway lines run above ground. The train in the city center has many ups and downs, and the tracks were designed to run above ground, because digging through the shallow areas would run into the man-made Kanda River. I'm heading to Ishima Seido. Seido literally means a sacred hall in Japanese. It's a Confucian temple established in end of the 17th century. Toward the late Edo period, Shoheizaka Gakumonjo was founded on its grounds. Shoheizaka Gakumonjo is one of the most important educational institutions of the shogunate. Those women in kimono are so beautiful, aren't they? This is the Kanda Myojin. Kanda Myojin was founded in the early 8th century. Its roots are in the history of the Izumo clan who enshrined their ancestral gods. When they pioneered and settled in a swampy area in the innermost part of Tokyo Bay. In the 10th century, Taira no Masakado was co-enshrined here. Today is the first Kanda festival after 4 years. Look, That is mikoshi, a portable shrine. Mikoshi is decorated palanquins which can resemble miniature buildings. In Shinto, it is considered as a temporary vehicle to transport the gods from one place to another during the festival. It's waiting for the Kanda festival, which has been a long time coming. Here is another mikoshi. Wait, what is that? Is that a pony? I came here too early. Wish I could see people carrying the mikoshi. This is Daikoku-sama, god of fortune, wealth, agriculture, marriage, and relationship building. Anyway, let's leave here for Akihabara. I look forward to Kanda Festival in 2 years' time. As I'm getting closer to the Akihabara area, the atmosphere of the street is changing. I haven't been here for a while. When I was here, I went to an all-you-can-eat sushi restaurant with some friends from Australia. It's getting more Akihabara-ish. These are mikoshi for the Kanda festival. Thus, shrines are deeply connected to the locals. Hello, it's been a while, Akihabara. Let's go towards Akihabara Station. Enjoy the atmosphere of the town. There are more and more foreign tourists in Tokyo lately. There used to be many Sega amusement arcades everywhere in Japan. However, in January 2022, Sega withdrew completely from the amusement arcade business, and all amusement arcades created under the Sega brand became legal. "400 years ago, Akihabara was a residential town for lower-class samurai. During the Meiji period, the railway line was extended from Ueno Station to build Akihabara Station. As the town developed, the prototype of today's Akihabara was created after the World War II. I love narrow streets like this. There was a black market for radio parts in this area after the World War II. For me, this is very Akihabara-ish. However, I believe the atmosphere of those days is still here even today. These girls are Kanda Festival's mascot characters. Akihabara used to be an electric town. Now it is completely an otaku town. Speaking of which, there is another otaku town called Nakano. That place might be introduced at another time. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね